In Live 10, you can edit multiple clips in the same window. Select the first clip, hold down Command or Control, and click on the second clip. Now you can see the notes from both clips in the same window. You can switch between the clips by clicking on the grayed out loop bar, or hovering your mouse over a note from the other clip and click once it's highlighted. This feature makes it a lot easier to see how your melodies are interacting, and you can edit your melody based on how your track is progressing over time, which makes it a lot easier to write your counterpoints and see where you have spacing between the notes.